Welcome back to Immigration Insight. Foreigners are now welcome to apply for permanent residency through the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, in the Express Entry System, according to Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. Every 2 weeks, the Canadian government holds events to choose people in the Express Entry method. The most recent draw for the Provincial Nominee Program took place on July 16, 2024. The last draw was on July 2, 2024.
Through the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, foreigners who want to live in Canada permanently can apply to become Canadian permanent residents. With this program, they can live, work, and reside in a certain state or region.
Canada's PNP allows provinces and territories to select immigrants for permanent residency based on various criteria such as job offers in the province, employment in an in-demand occupation, previous work or study experience in the province, resources to start a business in the province.
July 16, 2024 draw. 1391 express entry invitations were issued to eligible foreign nationals. The lowest-ranked candidate had a comprehensive ranking system CRS score of 670. July 2, 2024 draw. 920 express entry invitations were issued. The lowest-ranked candidate had a CRS score of 739.
The PNP is designed for employees possessing the required skills, education, and employment background to enhance the economy of a particular province or territory and to settle permanently in Canada. Each province and territory has its unique immigration schemes targeting specific categories, including students, entrepreneurs, skilled workers, or workers with specific skills.
The Comprehensive Ranking System, CRS, is used by the Canadian federal government to rank candidates based on their age, schooling, work experience, and language skills, among other things. The CRS changes the minimum score for each express entry draw to make sure that every candidate, even those at the very bottom of the list, gets an immigrant visa for permanent status. This has an effect on the total score.
Steps to obtain Canada PR via PNP. 1. Determine eligibility and requirements for available PNPs. 2. Complete the application process. 3. Submit the application to the respective territory or province. 4. If eligible, receive an official provincial nomination certificate, allowing you to proceed to the next step.
The Canada Express Entry Program is for skilled immigrants seeking permanent residency in Canada. Managed by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, it includes various programs such as Federal Skilled Worker Program, Canadian Experience Class, Federal Skilled Trades Program, Provincial Nominee Program.
That concludes our video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching Immigration Insight.